Hey everybody, Matt here, and let's be honest, who wouldn't want an exciting job on a cruise ship? Imagine working out on the open ocean, enjoying unlimited buffets, and creating towel animals. It's basically a dream job on water. Have you ever thought about the incredible opportunities available behind the scenes to make vacations unforgettable? I'm talking about the dedicated professionals, the ones who keep this floating city running smoothly around the clock. So grab your resume and your sense of adventure because we're about to dive into the most amazing job opportunities on a cruise ship. First up, let's dive into the exciting world of cruise ship jobs where your skills can shine on the high seas. Imagine being one of the incredible chefs who make every meal unforgettable, or a housekeeper who ensures every cabin is spotless and welcoming, or even an engineer who keeps the ship running smoothly. These roles offer the chance to provide top-notch services, turning the ship into a floating paradise. From guest services to wellness centers, there's always an opportunity to showcase your skills and keep the guests happy. And let's not forget the unique roles like tour guides who add a splash of adventure to the mix. Ready to take on the challenge? All right, let's dive into one of the most adventurous and prestigious roles on a cruise ship, the captain. This isn't just about wearing a cool hat and having an impressive beard. The captain is the leader who ensures the ship's safe passage and smooth sailing. They navigate through challenging waters, dodge rogue waves, and face the elements head-on. The captain sets the course, leads the crew, and ensures everyone reaches their destinations safely. So if you're seeking a role filled with adventure and leadership, the captain's position might just be your calling. Give them a salute, a high five, or a polite nod when you see them on deck. Now let's dive into the world of cruise ship security. No, not the folks who keep the buffet line in check, although they do a great job. We're talking about the courageous men and women who ensure everyone's safety on board. These highly trained professionals patrol the ship, monitor surveillance, and are ready to handle any situation. From managing rowdy passengers to responding to emergencies, they are the ship's first line of defense. So if you're looking for a heroic and action-packed role, consider joining the cruise ship security team. They're the reason everyone can enjoy their voyage with peace of mind. Ever thought about working in one of the most exciting retail environments? Welcome to cruise ship shopping. As a shop sales associate on a cruise ship, you get to make retail dreams come true every day. Imagine being a personal shopper, tour guide, and therapist all rolled into one. You'll help guests find the perfect souvenir, whether it's a fun t-shirt, a unique magnet, or even a stunning diamond necklace. Because hey, it's vacation time. You'll become an expert on the merchandise, guide guests to the best deals, and even lend an ear to their vacation stories. So if you're looking for a dynamic and fun retail job, consider joining the team on a cruise ship. It's an adventure every day, and you'll be making memories for guests and yourself. Behind every great crew is an even greater HR department. These are the folks who ensure the ship runs smoothly by managing the crew's well-being, recruitment, and training. They're like the ship's mentors, making sure everyone is happy, healthy, and motivated to stay on board. They handle everything from resolving conflicts to organizing crew parties, which, let's be honest, are probably the most exciting events on the ship. So next time you see someone from HR, give them a high five or maybe just a firm handshake. They probably have a lot of inspiring work to do. Now, let's dive into one of the most rewarding careers on a cruise ship, the environmental officers. These eco-warriors are at the forefront of maintaining the ship's environmental standards, ensuring it leaves a minimal footprint on our planet. They monitor waste management, reduce emissions, and even keep an eye on seagulls who try to steal French fries off the deck. If you're passionate about preserving our oceans and want to ensure future generations can enjoy the beauty of the sea, this is the job for you. So next time you see an environmental officer, give them a high five, or better yet, consider joining their ranks and making a real difference. Ever dreamt of a job where you can travel the world and make people smile? Meet the guest services agents. These dedicated professionals handle all guest questions, concerns, and complaints with a smile, ensuring every passenger has a memorable experience. They're the superheroes of hospitality, solving problems, making reservations, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Lost luggage, cabin issues, need directions to the karaoke bar. Guest services agents are there to help. They ensure every cruise experience is smooth sailing, literally. So if you're passionate about customer service and hospitality, consider joining the dream team and make a difference on the high seas. Ever dreamt of taking your musical talents to the high seas? As a musician on a cruise ship, you're not just background noise. You're the heartbeat of the vacation experience. Picture yourself as a talented pianist tickling the ivories, or a soulful saxophonist serenading guests at dinner, setting the perfect mood for every occasion. You'll get to play everything from romantic ballads to high-energy dance tunes, and yes, even the chicken dance, just in case. So if you're ready to take your musical career to new horizons, join us on board and become part of the magic. Who knows, you might even get a request for Baby Got Back. For a friend, of course. While guests are enjoying the festivities on deck, there's a dynamic world of technical expertise happening below the surface. The engine room is the powerhouse of the ship, and the chief engineer is the mastermind ensuring everything runs seamlessly. These technical wizards keep the ship operational, from the engines to the electrical systems to the plumbing. Their work is crucial, especially after a night of unlimited buffet. They're problem solvers, troubleshooters, and they take pride in their hands-on technical roles. So, next time you enjoy a hot shower, turn on the lights, or successfully flush the toilet, remember the chief engineer and their team. They're the unsung heroes making it all possible. Are you ready to embark on a heroic medical journey? Let's explore the vital role of medical professionals on the high seas. As a doctor or nurse on a cruise ship, you'll be on call 24/7, prepared to handle any medical emergency that arises. From treating seasickness and sunburns to managing unexpected injuries, you'll be the hero passengers rely on. Think of yourself as the Avengers of healthcare, ready to save the day with your expertise and compassion. So, if you're looking for a rewarding and adventurous career, consider joining the medical team on a cruise ship. Your skills could make all the difference. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the incredible world of cruise ship jobs. These are just a few of the amazing people working behind the scenes to make every voyage unforgettable. From the entertainers to the captain to the environmental officers, each and every one of them plays a vital role in creating the magic of a cruise. If you're seeking an exciting and rewarding career, consider joining this incredible team. Be part of the magic, make unforgettable memories, and embark on a journey like no other. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on board soon.